Aim vicious? I was hitting bare chest shots. They said, you know what I mean, the head, don't aim for the head. i9Live out here in Atlanta, you know, at the gun range, quick shot. Doing what we do, about to air some targets, man. You already know what it is, man. Big boy business, man.
You already know what swag like.
Shooters on deck, shooters on deck, shooters on deck, shooters on deck, We out here at the range right now in Atlanta, you know what I mean, quick shot, you know what I mean, doing it in real quick, block, you know what I mean, light, something light. You know, usually when I load these up, I got on, but today, you know, raw dog, like, see, you know how the scene, man, you already know, man. You gonna load the AR? You want that shit off, Jay? Come on, man, load that clip. That clip looks stupid, man. Y'all niggas don't, man. Niggas don't got shells like this in the hood, man. Y'all niggas don't bust guns like this, man. Over 2 tools and shit, niggas. Come on, man. Yeah, you know. Something official. Cash out, baby. Swag like, man, you dig? Give him a tumble finger. Pause.